Killing 9, killing 8, 7, 6, 6. Watch these guys. That's back of the. That's watch these guys. That's back of the. That's behind the. They're gonna sink these guys.
10 to kill. Boats can't be early for the boat, Nate. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the? Oh my god! What the hell? I'm gonna say sorry. Yeah, we got major flooding issues on this hull. We need boy. Yeah, copy. 10 to kill. 10 to kill. Boats can't be early for the boat, Nate. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the? Oh my god! What the hell? I'm gonna say sorry.
10 to burn still. 6 to burn. Late for the top. Late for the top. Up me. Okay, go, go, go.
The bow's fallen off. The bow is fallen off. Awesome.
So as this race continues on, race number 3, we are able to now be joined by Nathan Outteridge on board Team Japan. And Nathan, from your perspective, what did you see?
We saw Ben Ababas get completely out of control and his whole hull landed on top of ours. I'm still shocked that no one got squashed there. As you can see, we've got no bow left. The boat is completely damaged. I can't imagine we'll be able to tomorrow. It's just reckless sailing, unfortunately. It really ended our day.
Nathan, it's good to hear that everyone's okay, and that's in itself a miracle. But is this in a situation where you had nowhere to go? I mean, obviously you didn't see this coming. It's something that Ben wouldn't normally do.
Well, you know, we had full right away being the leeward boat there, and you know, we could see the boats all coming down at us, and clearly he either didn't see us or just didn't expected us to give way to him. But it's definitely ruined our boat and ruined any chance we've got of winning this event. So it's extremely disappointing. We put a lot of hard work and bad first race today, really good second race, ready to capitalise on that, and now we're just hoping that this thing doesn't go to the bottom out here.
All right, Nathan, take good care of everyone. We'll talk to you later on. Thanks for your time.
Wow, you really could not write this, could you? As we come back to the water, talking of not being able to write it, look at the boat speed on the Australian boat. Big lead.
Ainslie, wow, tight quarter racing, Ben. Everyone wants the same line. What happened out there?
Yeah, we just didn't see the other boat. We were focused on America a little bit early for the start at the top end of the line, and the first time I was aware of Japan was someone said, "Oh, you got the other boat," which no idea they were there. So that's certainly our mistake, and I certainly hope all the guys on the Japan boat are okay. And yeah, frustrating for both teams.
Ben, we just spoke with Nathan, and we'll just tell you right away, everyone's okay on the Japanese team. How about your squad? Is everyone okay? Anyone injured? And what's the state of your boat for possibly racing tomorrow?
Yeah, that's really good to hear. Yeah, no, all of our team are fine. I don't know about the